In the spirit of the season, Mrs. Ijoma Ome Nwokpoku, Executive Director, 1 meal a day for the Children Initiative, a non-profit organization dedicated to fighting hunger and empowering communities by providing nutritious meals for children and supporting women to raise responsible families, has organized free medical care and doled out gifts to men, women and children of Eginyima Amudo community in Ezza South and its environs. Mrs. Nwokpoku, while addressing the beneficiaries who came out in their numbers, explained that the NGO has existed for a couple of years and has helped many financially challenged children acquire education. She further explained that the NGO is particularly poised to bridge hunger gaps, especially among women and children, emphasizing that hunger is the greatest pandemic that can affect a society. She pointed out that she thought it wise to bring the activities of the NGO closer to her hometown to give them a taste of what other states had enjoyed since inception of the NGO. She further unveiled that the NGO has in her programs hospital visitations where hospital bills of indigent patients are defrayed.
We cater for people, children especially, and women who does not have access to 1 meal a day. So the NGO had to bridge in the gap between these people to be able to see how we can be able to provide 1 meal, at least 1 nutritious meal. We've been able also to touch this, taking this NGO to different states. So I decided to say, okay, what best to start the year than to start it in my home state, Ebonyi State. And because we have our presence in all the 36 states, including FCT. So we've done a lot with schools, IDP camp, and so many orphanage homes donated and contributed in our little way.
On sustainability of the NGO, the executive director explained that for now, it is totally self-sponsored by family and friends, but expressed a vowed determination to continue. She advised that more people should toe the same path and contribute in their little ways for the good of the entire society, and however expressed hope that in time, public-spirited individuals and groups would partner the organization.
Women are they are most vulnerable, and children. And if they are not privileged to be able to have one nutritious meal, it causes a lot of pandemic, disease, dangers as a result of bad health because of not being able to feed and all that. So, and they are most vulnerable in the society. Somebody could take them over, like banditry that is happening. They can be able to give them 1 bag of rice or 1 little meal to be able to join and perpetrate one crime or the other.
In their separate remarks, the Commissioner for Solid Minerals, Mr. Chidi Onya, who is a friend of the organization, and the legal officer of the NGO, Mr. Nathaniel Nwokpoku, all expressed delight with the choice of the organization to cater for the most vulnerable in the society, especially for bringing their activities home.
We are very happy because on a yearly basis she impacts mostly the less privileged. The NGO as well has, over time, encouraged our people to be aware, health-wise. And this is one of the numerous programs she has organized.
We are trying just to bring it down home because the initiative or the owner or the initiator is from part of this world. So we thought it wise that it was very necessary, to be brought down home. Not just that we're helping people outside, but to own people who are still in need, do not have anything to take.
The event featured free medical outreach with referrals where necessary, health talks, distribution of wrappers, textbooks, notebooks, writing materials, and above all, rice and condiments, among other gift items to men, women, and children drawn from Eginyima, Izenyi, and Agbaja in Amudo Ezza South local government area. The largesse was also extended to women and children from Abomege in Onitsha local government area, and Umweka and the Charuku in Ikwo local government areas of Ebonyi State. Chika Igwe, Salt TV News.